Hi there, my loves, this is Jana here. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to make a Brazilian cheeseburger, but not only a Brazilian cheeseburger, a cheeseburger from where I'm from the south of Brazil. I am Gaucho because I am from Rio Grande do Sul, which is the extreme south of Brazil, as I said. And there they have a very specific kind of cheeseburger, which is huge, and this is one of the foods that I miss the most since I became a vegan, and I decided to make it for you because the other day I wanted it so much. I made it and then I had to share it with you because I freaking love you. So we have to start by the mayonnaise, and the mayonnaise, I gotta tell you, it's never store-bought, it's always homemade. Every cheeseburger joint, they have their own mayonnaise, and it's usually made with milk. We're going to use unsweetened plant-based milk. Stay away from coconut milk or these sweetened milk that you see on the market, flavored. Stay away from it. Use a neutral taste. This is soy milk because I like the most. So we start with that. You add the milk. All right, now before I blend it, let me tell you, the amount of oil, which is neutral taste vegetable oil, if you want to flavor it with olive oil later, you can. I don't advise you to emulsify the milk and the olive oil. I don't think it tastes good. But somebody mentioned to me on the comments last week that they make it like that using olive oil and they love it. But this is just my preference, my taste. That's how I learn in the cooking school. That's how I'm passing to you. But if you want to make with olive oil, as I always say, it's your food, so you make your own way, okay? But let's go back to the quantity. It's impossible for me to tell you how much. You're gonna have to feel, okay? We're going to blend it until it becomes cream, and then we're going to add apple cider vinegar, and then we're going to add salt and lemon and a little bit of parsley, and that's it. Simple as that. Alright, so now that our mayonnaise is ready, we're going to mix with the vegetables. What kind of vegetables? Well, the ones that I was used to, that I grew up eating, it is onions, corn, sweet corn, canned, and peas, like green peas, also canned. That's how they used to make it. I think it's better this way than the frozen ones. But again, I don't know if it has to do with my childhood memories than the taste, so you have to decide and experiment for yourselves. And there's a reason why we're going to mix the mayonnaise along with the vegetables, and the reason is because we're going to form a glue. This is going to glue to the vegetables, which is going to glue to the bread, which is going to glue to the rest of the ingredients, and this way, because it's a lot of vegetables. I mean, it's a lot of vegetables if compared to the regular burgers. So then you're gonna have everything together, because later we're going to grill it. How about that? It's going to be amazing. You're gonna love it, promise. So now you mix it through. Super simple so far, isn't it? A child can put it together. I mean, children can set up iPads and all this kind of tech stuff. Of course, they can do that. Sometimes I think we underestimate them because we think that they're too small to make the bed or to help with the house things, and I forgot the word. And but they can do much more, don't you think? So it's ready, and now we're going to just assemble it. And okay, let's talk about the meat. What kind of meat I used? I have used my mock meat that I have made. Click over here so you can learn how to make the meat. I could have done that, I could have made that, but I want you to watch the video because it's a very good one. It's actually a meatball video. The only thing different I did is that I shaped it into a burger, and then I grilled it, and voila, ready. And that's what we're going to use. little bit more mayonnaise, because why not, right? Also about the bread. Try to choose a bread that it's a little bit larger, a little bit bigger, because the other thing about this cheeseburger is because it's huge. I mean, it's humongous. It's really big. It's almost the size of a plate. And looking back, I don't know how we could bear to eat at all. Maybe because the meat, it's really thin. It's almost like a paella, as you have seen when I pan-seared it. So when I grilled it, and it's the same with the, like they do it now, like they make it. And so maybe that's why. And the good thing is that then you can stuff even more vegetables in it. And to that we're going to add our recently made vegetables and mayonnaise mixture. I love this. This thing here with anything is delicious. I mean, I promise you, with anything. And then you add the lettuce, as much as you want. In this sandwich here, it's never too much. Trust me. Nothing is too much. So you can add whatever, I mean, as many vegetables as you want, and the more the better. And cheese. And then you close it. Oh, by the way, the cheese that I have used, of course it's vegan cheese. I mean, there's no point. I get a lot of comments of when I say you add cheese, for example, and if I don't mention that it's vegan, people come like, oh my God, isn't it vegan? I mean, of course this is vegan. This is a vegan channel. I mean, there is no point on saying that every ingredient that I use, it's vegan. It's a no-brainer. It's a vegan channel, right? So I don't understand people sometimes. And then what we're going to do with this now? It's not ready. No, it's not ready. Now the best part. We are going to grill it. Yes, we're going to grill it, because then I know we're going to grill with the tomatoes, with the lettuce, with the mayonnaise, but trust me, this is another component that makes this cheeseburger uber special, and the grilling. And I'm going to use 2 frying pans because I have a grill, but it leaves that ridges, those grill marks. I didn't want that. I want it just the way they made it, in a plain grill. So that's how I'm going to do. So I'm going to change my counter here, and I'll be back. All right, so now we're going to grill. This is my mini stove here making a noise. It's the metals adjusting itself because of the temperature. Shh, quiet. And now we're going to add some vegan butter. And now we're going to add the burger here. We are adding it upside down because later we're going to flip it, and then we flip it, and it gets in with the top up, with a beautiful top up, okay? If you want to use your grill, then go for it. Like I said, I want it to be really specific and do it just the way they do it, because memories. Oh, speaking of memories, let me know in the comments below, what is your top special food from your childhood? What it is that you used to have that now you either miss it or you still love to make, and then you keep making to your children? Let me know. I love those things. All right, so now we're going to flip it. Be confident, okay? These kind of foods, they sense insecurity, so show no fear. And yes. Do you see why I mentioned that when you put it in the grill, you put it upside down? Because now you just remove it and the top is up, as it's supposed to be. It is ready, and now we're just going to transfer to the plate and enjoy. I was eating a French fry. I know that this is a simple recipe, and this is the kind of recipe where the meat is not the star of the dish. The meat is not the star of this burger. No way, no sir. It is the combination of the vegetables, of the beautiful mayonnaise that we made, and the combination of flavors and textures, and the vegetables, and the nice bread, and that beautiful paella burger. Of course, you serve it with the side of a French fries, because although this is a little bit different than your regular burger, what is not different here is what it comes with, and it is with a big, beautiful golden side of beautiful potatoes, because French fries, who doesn't like French fries? I can't believe that there's somebody who... Oh, by the way, if you know somebody who doesn't like French fries, pretty suspicious, isn't it? I think so. So make it, tag me. If you ever visit Brazil, please, if you ever visit the south of Brazil, please try one of those. They have a lot of vegan joints there. And even in the regular burger joints, they also have vegan versions. So take pictures, send it to me. I'm gonna love to know it. And if you're from the south of Brazil or from Brazil, and if you have had it before, what did you think? Isn't it just a smorgasbord of a deliciousness? I absolutely love it. So this is it for today. I hope you like it as much as I do. Subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to my website. If you do subscribe to my website, you're going to get a free ebook with 10 weeknight recipes that you can put together in no time. And if you make it, take pictures and tag me on Instagram and Facebook. And this is it. Apart from that, enjoy your week and I'll see you next time. Oh, next Saturday. See you next time. Bye-bye.